Hey everybody, it's me, George. I'm going to show you how I use Hollyland for a wireless PTZ setup here in Life University. We've got our Super Joy, alright, going into our 4250, which is our Netgear 4250. That Netgear 4250 is also networking into this GL transmitter, Wi-Fi receiver. It actually puts out a Wi-Fi signal, and there is a receiver on the other side. I've got those coupled in, and what that's going to do is give me control of the SuperJoy wirelessly over that network. Then we're using a Hollyland Pyro 5, which is actually going to give us HD video. It can do 4K at 1350 feet, which is actually amazing. But we're going to use the HDMI out. We're going to go into our Roland V160, and as you can see, I have control over that camera. I have control over that camera, over that network. Now let's go take a look at the other side of this. Okay, on this side we have a Hollyland transmitter. That again is that Pyro 5 transmitter, and that's going HDMI out of the back of the camera into the transmitter. So what we've got is a PoE injector that's taking control from our other GL unit. This is receiving the control commands from the SuperJoy over the network and sending that down into the PoE injector. We also have a PoE injector power supply so that we can power the camera. And then we're using this little battery jack so that we can run up to 5 hours of power on this little, I guess you could say it's a Jackery knockoff, but hey, it works great. So that is a wireless PTZ setup. There's no cables other than at the camera itself, and you should be able to go up to 1350 feet. So that is a wireless PTZ setup.